Good morning, guys, and this is Calling with Gautam. And guys, today I'm gonna talk about the level rational defense. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, let's just have a small overview of the equipment. The equipment you need is just a nice sword because you need to kill some scouts when they attack you, and that's all you need. You can win this with any other equipment you have. You need to also have some good glasses of range because you need to command the peasants. So you have to have a big glasses range to see them. So without further ado, let us get into it. And just give me a sec. Okay. So first we have to split build order with a comma and save the results in the variable types. Okay. So first let's keep types. Let's just keep types equals to build order dot split using the separator, and you can get the build type. I'm gonna explain how this all works at the end. So you can get the build type by index from the array types. So you have to take build type, and then you have to use indexing. So you have to types, and then you have to index the array. I think you don't remember this, but in our previous levels we used to do this the same way, but it got replaced by for loops. And here command the peasant to build xy at the build type. So here command peasant to build type at x at y. So what we do here is we command the peasant to build xy at the build type at the x and y given. So let's just run this. So they build it, and oh, I forgot the main part. We need to ask our hero to fight the ogres. So another while true loop. Enemy equals hero dot find nearest enemy. You have to find the nearest enemy. Hero dot find nearest enemy. If there's an enemy, hero dot attack the enemy. Okay, that's it. And now I will explain how the solutions work. So they just built. Check. Okay, it's a success. So let's go to the code. So hide units is a function we have to starting, which takes the argument of units. For I in the range in the length of the units, like for each unit equals units I. So you might be thinking, why can't he just keep for unit in units instead of this? So this is also a different way of writing a for loop and getting each unit. So for I in range of the length of units. So what we do here, for I in range, range, it gives you the numbers between the numbers you give and the length of units. So you get the number of the length of the units. So take the numbers of how many people are there, and unit equals units I. Next, then you index it using I. So you check. So unit equals units I, which means that you go for each unit. So as I said, we take the length and then we match a unit with the corresponding length. So for example, the length is 10. We go into units and keep. So this guy, for example, let's just take Shimron is 1, Winkler is 2, Pyres is 3, Fendrel is 4, and Blemin is 5. So that's how it works. And you command them to move like and on the x of 34, y equals just 10 plus I times 12. So why do they include the I over here is that they all are at different positions. They just can't come here and cram with each other. We are asking them to move like more to the side from the battle point. And now this is the function which hides units. Now peasants. Hero.find friends. Build order is peasants.0 build order. So it's like a build order, and separator is comma. So now let's look at this. Types equals build order dot split by the separator. How does this work? So for example, you have an array of friends. So we have Blemin, Shimron, Fendrel, Pyres, and Winkler. And there'll be commas between their names. So let's just take some. Let's just do this. For example, we have an array. Anderson made us say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our array. And you see this comma? This separates it. If you just ask the hero to say array, he'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you want each thing. So you separate it by a comma. So you separate it. So you separate. So 1 is a different value from 2. 2 is a different value from 3. 3 is a different value from 4. And 4 is a different value from 5. So they're all different values now. So now, after you split it, if you ask the hero to say the array, he'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because you split it. And that's how the split command works. For index in the range and the length of peasants. Peasant equals peasants in the index. You know this, I already explained it to you. You take the length of the peasants, you match the number with the peasants. So 1 is Winkler, 2 is Pyres, 3 is Fenrel, 4 is Shimron, 5 is Blemin. Same thing, x equals 16, y equals 10 plus index times 12. Same thing in the running part. Build type equals types index. So now what we do here is we got the types. So according to this guy, first guy should build a palisade, second person should build a fire trap, palisade, palisade. And we need to take the index and distribute it among the peasants. So that's what's happening here. Then hero.command peasant to build xy, build type at xy. And then this is just while true enemy, if enemy, hide units. You just move the units. You're okay, bye bye. The second you see the enemy. And next then we just fight the ogres. If enemy, you attack the enemy. And this is it, the solutions to rational defense. If you didn't understand any topics, don't forget to get in the comments and I will post a video. And if you want some more levels, if you have a level you're confused about and you want the explanations and the solutions, I'm here to help. Please comment on a video. And don't forget to like if you like this video, subscribe by showing your support. And yeah, so guys, thank you. This is Rational Defense, and I'm Gautam, and today I'm signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.